Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the sleep timer, or basically the timer on IFB air conditions. So basically I myself had trouble setting the timer initially, and I searched in Google, but I did not find any suitable answers for that. So I felt, let me give a shot and upload a video so that it will be helpful for others. So here you go. This is IFB 3-star model which I took in 2016, and in order to set the timer, all you need to do is just play around with the remote. This is a remote which I received. Hey, great. Autofocus is working great on iPhone. Anyways, so let me quickly turn on the AC, and as you know, this is for reducing the temperature. Currently it is 20, and as you can see over there it is 20 shown. And let me reduce the temperature. It's so hot, midsummer here in India. So yeah, here is the timer. When I initially press the timer, it says 0.5 hours, which is 30 minutes. I can increase the timer to 1 hour. It basically multiplies by 30 minutes. So 2 hours, 2.5, so on and so forth. So let me bring it back to 5. If you hit the timer one more time, that's like you're fixing the timer. So as you can see over there, let me zoom it a little bit. It is blinking and it stays over there. So exactly after half an hour, it's gonna turn off. The AC will turn off on its own automatically. So this comes into picture if at all you think that you do not want to run the AC overnight, complete overnight or in a day, and you just want it to run it until the room cools down. And if you feel like, depending on the temperature at your side, if you feel that running the AC for 1 hour would cool the room, and then I can sleep like with fan. Here is my fan. So can sleep with my fan. In that case, you can set the timer to half an hour or 1 hour, 1.5, depending on your use case. So once again, I'll repeat. Here is the remote of IFB. I press the timer one more time. It blinks on the remote, meaning it is a time for you to configure. So increasing and decreasing the timer by up and down buttons. Once again, pressing the timer will show it on the AC, and it stops blinking, meaning it is set. The timer is set. And as you can see, the clock symbol right over here, the clock symbol beside the timer, meaning the timer has been set. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe my video and my channel for more interesting videos on different appliances, and also on editing using Photoshop or video editing using Sony Vegas. Thank you so much. Have a great day.